Well, hello guys. It's been a long time since the last time I made a video. Um, well, now I'm going to analyze the oil, the West Texas oil. And well, this is the first time I'm going to make a video in English because I speak Spanish. Sorry if my English is very poor or has some mistakes. But well, I've been analyzing the West Texas um, during the last days, and I've been publishing my analysis. Hopefully for me, and I'm really happy because most of my analysis have been reached the target. And well, let's start. Here we have a clear channel since I think October 3rd. And now I'm not sure. I'm not really sure if we are going to continue with this channel because in this part of the chart we had here a double bottom, and then I didn't like it when the chart broke this channel. I really thought it was going to go really down. I thought that the price was going to fall, but it didn't happen. Well, now I would like to explain you how to trade oil. I like to use the 4 hours time frame, and well, another indicator I use is the 200 periods EMA, exponential media average. And well, I also have here the Bollinger Bands, and well, that's all. Well, I also have the RSI, 14 periods, but that's all I use. What I recommend to trade oil, it's really simple, but it can give you good results if you really follow this method. When I'm using the Bollinger Bands, I've noticed that when the chart breaks the media of the Bollinger Bands, normally the price continue in that direction. For example, here the price went up and broke the red line that we have here, and it continued some pips. Then here we could have some pips, but the price went up again. But here it broke the price really with a really good strength and went really down. Here again, once again, we could get like 30 or let me check, 90, yeah, like 40 pips or more, even more if you let the price continue. And here again we have another example, another one here, another one here. Here we have another case. Okay, and also another good indicator is when the price cross the 200 period exponential media average, like in this case. once this happens, all you have to do is buy. The same here. Well, in this case, we had the chart um, really close, so we could have done two operations here. Once you open a short position and the price goes down, you have to move your stop loss in case price uh, don't continue the trend or the plan you have. But here it was really clear that the price was going to pull back, and it went up again. So here you could go long, and then you just had to move your stop loss, and well, the price stopped just really close to the red line. Here you have another example, or you could have short this moment. Here this is a really good example. Why? Because if you check my Twitter, you could have noticed that here I had a short position. Why? Because you had here two indicators as a resistance for the price. That's why the price went down some pips, but the movement was really strong, and it went up again. So if you was checking my scenarios, you could have sold here, but you had to move your stop loss again. So in this case, you could have won some pips, but not much, not really much. Okay, once you had the price here, more here in this area, you know that the price is just going to continue this trending, because this is a good indicator that you have to go long. Here you had a resistance, and well, once again the price went up, so the only thing that the price could do was go into this red area to where it's really close to the I, I don't know the word in English, well, but it's really close to this part of to this line, to the orange line. Now today we had a pullback to here, to the to the to the it's really complicated to make this video in English, guys. Well, to the low part of the channel. Okay, and now I don't want to make it a scenario or a prediction, because I would like to wait to the price to get this area more or less. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I would like to have the price like in this area to short. Why do I have here? I have like a resistance, something really similar to that, and I would like to short the price here, and expect to the price to go like something really close to this to just buy again. But I'm not really sure about this scenario, but I would really like to get some good results. Well, for me, That's all for today. I hope you enjoy the video and understand how I trade oil, and this is a really good method, except when you have scenarios like this one when the price only goes down. But well, I don't know if this is going to happen again, at least not soon. uh, but it can happen. No? In this market, everything can happen. And well, that's all, guys. I hope you have a good next week, and I hope you can make a lot of money. So for me, see you in the next video. Bye bye.